Hey everyone, this is Charlotte. I just wanted to share with you a quick room tour. We were staying in a one-bedroom villa over at Kidani Village at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So I wanted to share with you, we are actually leaving the resort today. So since it doesn't look completely crazy, I wanted to share with you what it looked like. So when you first walk in, you're going to see a closet to your left. This is the front closet. It comes with a basket there. It has a kind of like an apartment size washer and dryer. We used that several times this week. Then if you may turn to your right, here is the first bathroom, or I guess it would really be the second bathroom for your other guests. Hi. Alright. It's just your standard bathroom. It has two towel hooks, just a standard tub shower combination. It does have the amazing shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that Disney provides. Then you walk in here. If you want to connect to another room, there is a lock off. So this is a lock off. This is like the little. Here's the kitchen. It's not as big as the kitchen over at any of the other resorts. So this is a smaller kitchen, but it did its job. Here's a little table, the bench, the table, the chairs. Then you have, this is a queen size sleeping sofa. So my parents actually slept on this and it works great. We have a good coffee table, 2 lamps. There's enough space right here if you wanted to unpack. I'm an unpacker. So, and then a huge TV. Then we have a balcony. We'll go out to that in just a minute. So this is the kitchen. So it does come with your standard full-size refrigerator, oven, range, and microwave. And then there's also plenty of things that you can have. Oops. So it looks like we almost forgot these, and I'm pretty sure somebody would be pretty upset about this. But we had just regular snacks and stuff. Glad I found that. Let me check these. So that has nothing in it. You have just your drawers. I don't think we have enough stuff. I mean, guys, there's plenty of stuff for you to do. Has a dishwasher, which is great. Then this is the master bedroom. Again, like I said, we've stayed here all week and we are getting ready to leave. But this is the master bedroom. So you have a king size bed. You have a nightstand on each side. You have a little desk. You have, again, another dresser that you can unpack. I've already unpacked and repacked. Another just TV console. There's plenty of these USB ports, so you're perfectly fine if you need to charge a lot of electronics like I do. Again, a little desk. This is a twin size sleeper sofa or sleeper chair. We actually brought it in so that my parents could have a little bit of space from our daughter, but she slept on that and we're getting ready to move it back in. Again, king size bed. And then this is the master bathroom. So when you walk in, guys, this one is huge. It's a lot bigger. It's just one closet. It has your ironing board, your safe in there, extra pillows, blankets. Let's see. You have right here a ginormous, it's a pretty good size jacuzzi tub. We never used it though. We just were too exhausted. The details in this resort are amazing. Then you have a nice, just one sink area for you to get ready in the morning. If you see all this little powder, it's baby powder, guys. Then you have your little area for the toilets, kind of like at our house. And then here is the shower. So it's a nice sized shower. It's a little bit smaller than what we have at home, but it's still good. Just a typical shower. But it's amazing. All right. So if you guys are looking forward to or looking for a large enough space, then you can do that. I see my family out there. And then this is the balcony. So it goes here, all the way over here. And there's Jason. So there's enough space for, you know, plenty of people to do, or to sit up here. And guys, where we're at in our room, we're in 7933 on the 5th floor. We can actually see a little bit of the savannah.
And that's the savannah where Casanova the bird is. He's like a black bird. It's kind of hard to explain him. I can't remember what they said his species was.
But we've actually seen him a couple times.
Well,
and then
haven't.
I saw him a couple times, and then that actually goes over to the pool. So it's really nice. And then right over there, that building over there where it says Survival of Fitness, that is the gym. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you.